Hey you guys, thanks for stopping by my video today. I'm going to be making a keto ice cream in my mason jar. And this video is part of a collaboration. You guys know I love doing collaboration videos. It's where a bunch of us other YouTubers get together and we kind of pick a theme and make a video. Everybody makes a video on that theme. So there's gonna be a playlist. I will link it in the description list of everybody's summer dessert recipes. So that's what this collaboration is for today, summer desserts. So how fun is that? The beginning of summer, it is just starting. This collaboration is hosted by my wonderful YouTube friends, Melissa and Kristy. I will link their channels in the description box. Go check them out. They have wonderful channels, you guys. So I have made this keto ice cream before. My kids actually really like it. It is so simple. Anyone can do this, you guys. It is just a few ingredients and it's really so easy. So it is, these are my smaller mason jars. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I love using mason jars for tons of my meal prepping, my make-ahead salads. I make them in my bigger mason jars, but mason jars are like one of my favorite things. So it's gonna have heavy whipping cream, monk fruit. If you don't want to keep it keto, you can just use regular sugar, but this is monk fruit sweetener. I have a little bit of vanilla extract, and you can add whatever else you want into this ice cream. So for this one, I'm going to do some strawberries. So you can make, I've done like crushed up Oreos. You could just make it totally plain vanilla also. But it's really fun to add little extra things in. For around the holidays, I did a peppermint one with candy cane, and it was delicious, you guys. So it's so simple. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of monk fruit, teaspoon of vanilla, and then I shake it all up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add in, I'll chop up the strawberries, and then you just put it in the freezer, and it doesn't take that long. It takes about 2 hours, and it's totally frozen and totally ice cream consistency. So easy, you guys. So I'm gonna get it all going. So like I said, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in each one. So I'll pour that in. All right, and then 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, or if you want to do regular sugar, that works too. This is such a fun way to make homemade ice cream. If you don't have an ice cream maker, which I do have one, but you know, you have to freeze that bowl that goes in the ice cream maker, and I always forget to do that. So this is just a super fun way to make it. All right, you guys, I'm going to put the lids on to these and then just screw the lid on. And I'm gonna shake it for a couple minutes. Well, not a couple minutes because my arms will get tired, but I'm gonna give it a good shake, and it starts to thicken up like right away. And if I'm gonna do like a topping in here, I like to shake it, make it a tiny bit thicker so that all the toppings don't just go straight to the bottom and they kind of go like all throughout the ice cream. I'm gonna shake each one up really good. All right, so this is kind of like a workout too. So it's like 2 in 1. You're cooking and working out. Okay, so I have my strawberries. They are washed already. So I'm just gonna cut the stems off and then cut the strawberries into small pieces and add them into my ice cream mixture. Okay, so these mason jars are ready to go into the freezer. And like I said, they don't take very long to freeze, about 2 hours. And they are so good, you guys, and so healthy. You know, like just, I love healthy desserts and my kids love these. So I like just adding the strawberries, even just gives it a little bit more healthiness. So I'm gonna put these in the freezer and then I'll come back in a little bit and show you guys how awesome this mason jar ice cream is. All right, you guys, so my mason jar ice cream has been in the freezer, setting up. So good, so easy, you guys. So I'm gonna, which one do I want to open? I'll open this one on the end. So good. The strawberry pieces. So good, you guys. And it's keto, so keto ice cream. Love it. All right, you guys, this was such a fun summer dessert to make. I had so much fun with this collaboration with my friends Melissa and Kristy and everyone else who's making their summer desserts. Make yourself some keto ice cream in a mason jar. It is so easy and so fun, and you can put whatever you want in it, whatever extra toppings to make whatever flavoring you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope that you're having a really great summer so far, and I hope you're enjoying some ice cream on these nice hot days. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.